I lose my job and I say no, I'm only 95, you know, only 95. That a 2 weeks old start plant and I think I start plant, I just start prepare the land, I mean, I know. I just start some farm, I don't have seed, I don't have anything, but I say I just by faith, I go leave out in the deep, you know. I'm going to show you something. Try this. Eat it same here. See the Irish, you know? See that? See that? See that? Fresh, clean, undamaged. See this one? Try it. See that big? Almost as big as the size of a strawberry. See it? Not too far away. This is cilantro. It's a cilantro plant. When you leave it, it flower out, and you get these now, the corianders. It's a natural herb. The Indian people, them love it. They use it to make a thing called guacamole. So they use it with cilantro, pear, a little lemon juice, a little vinegar. Oh. Yeah, so we like how we Jamaican love butter. Indians them say no, herbs. See it inside now? That's a peach. Jamaican peach again. Dandelion, you have two types of dandelion, right? So this is the tree. Them say it's a powerful thing for all type of things.
Hold on, this is what again?
Suriname cherry.
Suriname.
Suriname cherry. Try it. Take your time on big seed in the middle. Just take your time and suck on it like a guinea. What's go so? Yeah man, different.
This sweet man.
Look at him man.
Yo, the tree load. So oh yeah, that means say oh you actually get down these without making losing a lot of them.
Well, a lot of them drop off still, but when you get them. So I get the lowest limb first. Like
Suriname cherry.
Suriname cherry man.
Respect. So this is Suriname cherry. First time actually tasting this. And the tree load. Yo, the tree load. Are you plant this
you know,
for the
actually this is actually voluntarily plant itself. The seed just drop down the state and grow. Yeah, man. So just grow naturally. You don't need a whole pack here.
About how long this tree are there? So?
Good while, you know. Tree are there over 5 years.
Over 5 years?
Yeah man, beer straight.
Wow.
Right through the year. So
wow.
For rainwater, you know?
Yo, but me never expect it to be so sweet. No. You know, the look at it though, if it look, the look at it will trick you.
Alright, so look now. You see this one? This one just starts right. But you can't eat it at the stage of it at the ready stage. It has much bricks in it. The bricks turn up in it when you get ready.
The what? The bricks?
Bricks. Yeah man. So strawberry can the same thing to bricks. So the sweetness called bricks.
Oh wow.
Yeah man.
Suriname cherry. If you guys never tried this yet, just link up further if it's. This is exactly how it looks.
You can get all the plant them to see me. You can get a plant for 5 months. So the plant them bulb seedlings. You know what I mean?
So the sucker them there. So if them want, if them come and them want,
yeah man, you can get
them can actually get. Oh wow.
Yeah man. Put your fence line, you know. You can share it to the neighbor if you want.
Yeah man.
Nice little hedging if you want. You know.
Yeah.
Trim not. Just make it stay and beer.
Just make it stay and beer.
One side for you, one side for your neighbor. Not
True.
your face. You want some privacy? Just put it on your fence line.
Oh wow.
Yeah man.
That's a vibe. Up in the hills. The last time we came here, we saw tons of stuff. We saw those cabbages, those strawberry, more strawberry. They here more than ever.
And they come out earlier the other day still. The cabbage I just replant. That cabbage weigh 3.5 pounds. The same one I made replant at the tree and show you.
That same one there?
Same one, 3.5 pounds.
Whoa.
No joke. I'm just put the picture on the phone and show you.
Amazing.
Come on, 3.5 pounds. No joke.
More stuff there on the farm. We're gonna see some crazy stuff today again. Oh yeah. The last time we came here, you know, them thing are tiny, you know.
Yeah, man, so I get you humongous.
Yo, some big one up on the tree.
Come on that side.
I go look on them. Bunks another Suriname cherry. This tastes so sweet. Two of them.
Fully laden. Jackfruit can count. Yeah, man, I find it back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, whole heap of them go down. Big, small, medium, large.
Yeah, man. Last time the man never there at all. Yo, the tree loaded.
Just start about.
Yes, man.
But it'll come up, you know?
That come up.
Yeah, man. So welcome back, my people, you know? Yard life, good. You know, we're there upon Fitzroy Organic Farm again. And after the rain, sun come out now. Watch how I go on my business now. Yeah. Alright, so the last time we come here, couldn't find a strawberry, don't. Yeah? Couldn't find a berry, don't. I plant them now. So after the rain, see them? Humongous. Come on, rain. Rain make them jump up. Enough, yeah?
And these are super organic.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
For the people that want to know what organic mean, tell them again.
Alright, so organic is using, mimic nature, using back the stuff from nature, grass, organic stuff, you know, compost, whether it be grass with animal down or grass by itself to make compost to feed back your plants. That's organic, you know?
Amazing.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
This scallion.
Yeah, man.
At first, I see scallion so big.
Alright, so see that scallion now called Macedonia. Macedonia, not the regular scallion. Them things like that down flowers. Them down flowers. Get very big, down flowers. Down flowers. Like the normal one, them the common one, them flowers out. Them one are down flowers. Them get small and run down. But as you plant them back, them get back big again. Yeah, man, so have the berries on the tree and my G. No strawberry there, I road now. So strawberry, yeah, man, strawberry enough. Yeah, man, see them there? Fresh. Can't get no more fresher than that. Fresh. See this one? Try it.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
This is it. As fresh as it gets. Super organic strawberry.
Yeah, man. Straight off of the farm.
Straight off of the farm.
From your farm to your mouth.
Whoa. Father Fitz said, try this. I don't know the style. Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Super sweet. Super fresh. As fresh as it gets now after 6 in the morning, so I don't know.
Yeah, man. Night dew up on roof.
Yeah.
Still up on leaf, see that? Wet, leave them wet, see me. The sun not come out upon them fully yet, see? Still wet. Plants, you know? Fridge temperature them up on right now, as I'm say. Yeah, man. So see the berries on there? They're good. Yeah, man. See there? Straight in like clamshell, you know? No joke. See them there? Time dry now, so less spoilage, you know? That's the advantage of the open field. When you get a whole part of rain, the bird them spoil, you know, but as long as you have a nice dry season, you man have a bountiful harvest. You man harvest load. See them there? Yeah, man, enough strawberries galore, you know, me, Jay?
And these are sold by the pound, right?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
So for full list, about how much? But this now we are pound though.
Yeah, man, once it's full, it's a pound.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, once it's full, it's a pound.
And what's the cost for a pound?
You can get a pound of strawberry from 2.5 up to 3 grand, depending on the size and you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So the size varies.
Right. Yeah, man, so see there? Fresh off of the tree, you know. Yeah, man. Enough strawberries, see there? That one I get a little thing, but that one I go bad, but that's okay. Can put this in a smoothie if you want or something, you know. Yeah, freeze it and use it at a later date. Man, strawberries, galore, my G. See, last time we come, we couldn't find. Yeah. Search. Hunt and gather, that's what I say. We find 2 little berries. We now hunt and gather now, yeah. Find it.
Wow.
Quick. Yeah, man. Strawberries there, man. Enough strawberries, you know. I see them too. But see that? Berries loud. Pick off a portion, a big one the other day, so the one a kind of liquor, you know. Look a smaller way, but still nice and easy. Alright, so me I show about the blackberry, you know. So the blackberry over the side. See blackberry and energy. Ready. Yeah man, blackberry. Blackberry that. Ready. I can try it.
I said this have a try.
Yeah, man.
Respect.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Respect.
See that big? Almost as big as the size of a strawberry. See it? Not too far away.
Whoa.
Yeah man.
Cheese and peas,
Yeah
man.
So it go man.
Blackberry, fully organic.
Yeah man.
Right here upon the farm, way up in the hills. Wow.
Yeah. And there's a trick with the blackberry too. It's when it up on the night June, you get a nice juicy taste out like that when it will get hot, you know. Right. So I wanna go bad, but don't worry about that. No man. Ah, good enough. It's a container full of fast. See that? Last time I couldn't do that, you know. So this time, yeah man, up upon it. There is there man, at least I just the front
Part
part.
of it.
Yes,
you
sir.
know what, really and truly still. I can't believe how my first me actually I see scallion this big.
Yeah man, I tell you it's a special.
Just look on the size.
No,
Just look
and
on the size of this
Alright.
to Father Fitz right there. No,
No,
it look like
no
a single
exaggeration.
Bible.
Look
It's
now,
just a
look.
mimic a single Bible in
Just
the
look.
ground right now.
Let me stand up right here and show them how high the plant
This
is from
is
itself.
super big.
Look, watch the style, watch the style, watch the style. I put my foot here. See there? Knee height. See there? Pass all my knee too. See skeleton there? Pass my knee. Almost reach up my waist, almost. See there? Pass knee height. I'm stand up straight. See there? Pass my knee. See there?
How you give them scallion?
Organic stuff, man. You see, you skeleton I get for water, they were good. You see what I go on? Come on. Massy down there, man. They say massy. Whole per body, you know? Big like my thumb. One. At the start them, so them big. Yeah, man. So I'm bury your foot there, sir. On the eye, though, never see it. Yeah, man. More berries are down the line. So that's the front part, you know. As you go down, so them get better. You can't walk down the line, just. On the line, that's how I'm coming out. You man, I see raspberry again. See tree loaded again this time. Raspberry. See, I pick off a portion off a tree the other day. Still have, no. Raspberry.
Super organic raspberry. Respect.
This peppermint tree is over 30 years old. It's been here from I was a boy, no joke. Long time it there, so. Can live for many, many years. Yeah, man. Real mint. When you have like a stomach problem, gas take you up. Yeah, man. You drive for the mint.
This
Minty.
is super, super huge. You
Yeah,
don't
man.
even know this. The camera now do this not justice. This is super, super big. This
It's
tall,
a tree.
this tree actually
Yeah, man.
taller than me.
Yeah, man. I'm 6'2" and it's taller than me. See there? Taller than me. See there? That's like a 7. I'm stand up on the bed up and stand up on it. Taller than me. Man, massive tree. No joke. Many, many years.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
And raspberry there.
Yeah, man.
And we're up on the farm. Again, way up in the hills.
Yeah, man. I see last time we come and see the place with the bush up. See the place clean up back now. See it now? Restart and come again. Yeah, man. All the peach them come out now down there. Portion of them drop off of the tree because they fit and we never pick them.
Wow. So
Yeah.
go and take a walk.
Yeah, man. I see the Neesberry tree come up now. Melissa more me limb them, but see the one limb Melissa gone, we look on the tree now. Look on Neesberry. We overload. Look there. Loaded. Yeah, man. See I want to ripe on the tree that's spoiled too. So one, right, that's all. That's all.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Watch out. See I want to drop on the drum, I say I mash up. Drop off a tree ripe, you know. Yeah, man, mash up. Drop on the drum and mash up. So probably just early this morning or late last night to drop off. Alright. So you find a neat berry we good that's all. Drop off of the tree. When you drop off of the tree like this, you can know that them actually good. See there? Perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, man. So sometimes people pick neesberry off of the tree. When they pick it, it look big and nice, you know, but when you're ripe, it not taste good because it unfit. But once it drop off like this and ripe, or even turn, you know so you get the taste of sugar and that now.
This strong. You can smell
Yeah, man.
it.
You know so it's ripe, and you know so it's ripe natural. No force ripe business or nothing. You see me? Naturally ripe. Fully mature.
And me as a youth, you know, I love even the skin, you know. That's how I deal with it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All the skin of bunks.
That loud. Yeah, man. That's sweet.
What you call it? The
Bricks. The bricks. Yeah, man. Bricks. Sweetness is bricks.
Yo. Oh my God. Syrup. Syrup.
Real talk, man. It's out there. Up there in that game. So an Irish potato too. This is like, you know. So the Irish.
This is Irish potato?
It's an Irish potato.
At first, I see the plant.
Alright, so you see one now. So this is not ready to harvest, you know. When you're ready for harvest, it dry down. Plant itself dry down, so you know it's ready.
Oh.
Right. When it dry down, it's like an onion. When onion green, you don't harvest it. When you leave them dry off of the onion, then you pick it. You know? Irish be like cocoa. Irish and cocoa in the same family. Dasheen, yam. Same family, underground. Ginger, turmeric, underground. Yeah, man, so I go down and check out the peach
Last
here.
time we came here in the farm, bush up because it was getting a lot of...
Yeah, whole heap of rain. Whole heap of rain.
We can see how...
Yeah, man.
How well it look how
Yeah, man.
good, man.
Manicure down back again and come up back, you know. And see cabbage when I tell you about again, I'm going to take off. See, this is just the same route I tell you there how much in years ago. See that? Cabbage again. See there? Cabbage. Ready for harvest now. And see sucker come back up again. I'm going to show you the last time. See a baby sucker, yeah? So if you move this in a couple of days time, in a couple of months time, you can get back all a 5 pound cabbage after that. Easily. Yeah, man. Just replant it. And we still have a few lettuce in our farm to see them yet, you know. Yeah, man, lettuce there. That one bed there. Some of them, the rain it come down and see them now? The rain it come down and they kind of mess up the nursery, but still have couple head. See me we can't eat, you know. Yeah, man, still have couple head. Couple head there, see me. I feel the texture of the soil right now. See them there? Lettuce see me. Yeah, man, good to go. Yeah, man, fresh. It's night dew upon them, see me. Leave them wet. See there? Night dew. Night dew. When you have that now at that stage, you know you get every nutrients out of it. I feel like it's up on the fridge, but natural fridge. Yeah, man, so see peach here now. Ready peach on it today. I can't find a tip one. Close enough, you know, so that them drop off. Yeah, man, but the fruit size are increased still. Like last time when they come here, they see them tiny, don't.
Yeah. They're getting super big. Them
Yeah, man.
Super tiny last
yeah,
time.
Man, yeah, man. Them, me tell us a couple of them did ripe. See that one that change? See this a change? See the tip height? This a get fit. But it's not fully ready yet. See the tip height? When you see it start to turn this, which still a colour start to get red, it actually...
This is the peach, the pinkish color peach.
Right. Mr. One up, so I'm going to try that one up in the top, so I can reach it. Oh gosh, I didn't make it now. It's not fully ready, you know. Just make it get a sampler. Oh, look. Hold on. Let's see. Okay. I'm find one candidate. Alright, see that? Alright, so that one is nearly good to go. Try bring the knife. Now try crack it open. Alright, good. Start open up. I see it inside now. Right, so this could go a little bit more, but it still can't eat.
You still can't eat, see
Still
me?
can't eat, see me. Still can't eat. That's a peach. Jamaican peach again.
Fresh off the tree. You hear that crunch?
Little bit tangy, but
Yeah.
when they're ripe, when you get a little fitter, get the sugar up in it, you know?
Oh wow. But this is super fresh. You can hear that crunch when you crack into that.
Man, crunchy. Must come like a cucumber you eat. Cucumber or carrot. Bite in, you know?
And if you don't mind that little tangy taste, this is actually a super nice flavor we have.
Yeah.
Same way.
They
So
prefer the stage.
if you ask somebody who don't prefer that
That sweet flavor.
Yeah.
And you prefer it like a tangy.
If you prefer it little tangy,
You're good to go.
this is good to go. Same way.
Yeah, man. Good to go.
peach. See there? This tree is how old again? Over 30, over 13
13
years.
years old. 13 years ago, I'm planting a tree here. And they live very long. 20 years, 25 years. So if you have grandkids and you want to plant one tree for them, you can plant a fruit tree. Ideal thing. We enjoy the fruit after it, you know? Yeah, man, absolutely. So remember this tree right there, so where they get the strawberry off fire last time?
Yeah.
Alright. Look at now. It's bird up on the tree. See me?
A little layer, same way.
Yeah, man, look at corner. I'm not cut it down yet. See it there? Strawberry, see me? Just one little patch by itself. Strawberry Island, you know?
Strawberry Island.
Yeah, Strawberry Island. I think one fruit there outside the day, but it come like it's spoiled or something. But that's alright. Yeah, man. But that tree, I come back, man. They actually move this and plant out from this, you know?
So you gotta move it from here, so?
Yeah, I go open it up in this area, so if anything, make it just take over that section, so. Yeah, man. Dandelion. We can find two juicy guava around this here. Dandelion, you have two types of dandelion, right? So this is the tree. And you have the one that growing on the ground. We have a little thing that where you blow off all the time, we'll up and see them. I think one of them up is a nice pan. Is one of the strawberry bed them.
What's the benefits of this?
Actually, I don't really know the full benefit in it, but them say it's a powerful thing for all type of things. I see when these pods get brown and fit, you actually can parch the seeds. Alright, hold on, see some seeds that's too. Alright. So see the seed them almost like coffee beans. Them are kinda gone one way still. Them are fresh them all. But see I have a couple of good beans that's still. So when you have the good beans, them see you parch it and beat it for some ailment. I don't remember what them says, but it's good for something, man. Every herbs have a purpose. You know, I don't know the benefit of it.
It says dandelion.
Dandelion, yeah man. But you can Google it still, man. Benefit of dandelion, you know? Alright, so this is a trench. You use a furrowing tool and you furrow the land like this for a trench, you put the Irish in it. So if you plant Irish, put it down like a trench and then you cover it over with the soil. This now, I'll show you something you never see. So this is actually cilantro. This is cilantro. It's a cilantro plant. Cilantro. When you leave it, it flower out, and you get these now, the corianders. Right, coriander. So this is the seed coming out back from the plant now. So when you leave it to dry, you get back new cilantro plants. So when the tree dry down, these get brown, and you can actually plant back the seeds. So the same thing, that's how it works, you know, cilantro.
It's cilantro.
Cilantro, yeah man, cilantro powerful.
And what exactly is this?
It's a natural herb. The Indian people, them love it. They use it to make a thing called guacamole. So they use it with cilantro, pear, a little lemon juice, a little vinegar, or something like that and thing on you know. So instead of using butter, they don't use butter, they use this, the guacamole, very healthy. So the cilantro with the pear and all of that stuff, very healthy in your crackers and your bread. Oh. Yeah, so we like how we Jamaican love butter. Indians them say no, herbs. Good to go, natural, you know.
Informative.
Yeah man.
Never know that.
Powerful man, powerful.
Cilantro.
Yeah man.
This is it right here.
Yeah.
Go ahead again. See there?
Yeah man, container full.
Yeah man.
So when it go on like it can't lock now, we just trick it. Yeah man.
Just like that.
Just like that. Just wrap them in, make them set themselves in a position.
Oh, well, I have to show them that logo too. No, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, the logo.
I have to show them.
Yeah, man.
I have to show them that logo for say, make them say it's not a plating.
Not a plating,
right
man.
up in content gap.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
up
man.
in a Blue Mountain, you know?
See there? Father Fitzroy.
Yeah, man. Fitzroy organic farm.
Yeah, man.
Live and living colours, you know? See the Irish over here again. Irish that again, we have some seedling. So what happen, you know, the Irish them can live in your soil for a long time, you know. So each time you use a machine and till, and it cuts a plant or a cut a potato, and it moves it somewhere, it grows each time.
Irish.
Yeah man, yeah man. So you cut it, stay in the land a long time. Long time. Even the tiny seeds them can come back and give you fruit from it, see me. The man so see China banana, last time we see China banana up on the tree,
Don't sure enough.
Well, alright, see the fruit now. So banana start come back now. So me tell you say, when you now need to cook banana and the lady them sing banana husband, they not have to go far when they want to cook some banana and salt mackerel or dumpling for themselves or for their husband. You don't have to go call and say, come cut the banana for me. Just rock up to the tree and just take a knife and take off any hand you choose to take off.
Cause it's short.
Because it's short, easy for handle, you don't have to climb no tall tree if you chop down the whole tree. So you take off what you want and leave the rest. Anytime you choose, because it's short, easy for access. You know, shiny banana tree. Yeah, man.
You show now how short this tree is.
Short, man, you're short, man.
It literally stand up.
On your shoulder.
This is it.
Right to your head, right to your head, right to your head.
Yeah, man.
You're right to your head.
Super short.
Yeah, man, super
real. So
short.
shiny banana.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
So it go.
So one more again.
Man, fully bearing. So the arrowing tool. Arrow.
Arrow.
Yeah, man, arrowing.
Tool.
Yeah, man. So you make the mark in the land like this, let me show you, you know?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so this attached to this?
Yeah, man, I'm going to put it on in a minute. So I'm going to show you something first now. So you say, you want this to show. So we are going to spread out this, right? So this is a chicken manure. So before you use it, you have to well age and burn out. If it's too hot, it will burn up your plants. So no matter what you put in it, it's going to burn them up. So you have to make it burn out.
Is this chicken manure?
Chicken manure. You can use cow manure, horse manure, goat manure, other animals if you choose to. You know? Put it in your land, you know? Incorporate the soil and get it back fully fertile and nutrients loaded in it, you know? They use a guard.
Does it make a difference which one of the manures they use?
Yeah, some of the animal and thing. The chicken take a little longer time for break down. So you see the goat now, the goat and the rabbit and the cow have to break down a little bit too. There's like a bacteria thing in the cow you have to break down a little bit too. But the goat, the rabbit can use same time in your farm. Very powerful. Because you get the grass-based settings in it. But the chicken, because of the whole heap of hormone thing and all them something there, you know, and beat out the lump them out of it. Make it more refined. So it spread more, you know. You just rake it out, spread it out on the land. Let me take out this. And get a garden rake, you know. If you have the right tool to get the job done, yeah. Bring it back as far. Spread it over as best as possible upon your land, you know. You get a good coverage. That's not really get none, but alright, so watch this now. I'm gonna run the machine and show you something now. Get mixed up in the soil now. The till it in, machine till in the organic matter of the land. Because the soil type are clear. When it's too wet, give the machine problem. So when it's dry, it's more easier to till than when it's wet. So that's why some part jump, like kind of tight. That's why I kind of apply a little pressure on the machine now. Make it chop it up a little better, you know. But this is good, you know. Nice. Mix. Can go look more refined as you go through to get more refined, you know. Yeah. At the end of the road now, I'm going to attach the arrow and make a trench here in the middle. Alright, I'll put on the attachment now. Iron tool, right? Alright. So watch your magic now. See that now? So this now is a two concept to this now. So you can, if you want to plant, so you can make this be a walkway. So for instance now, I can get 2 rows of strawberry out of this bed, right? So this will be my walking way in the middle, and I have a bed over here and a bed over there. So when I come with the shovel, then I can just kind of refine it better, pull up the style, come more to the sides, and I get 2 beds.
Oh.
Right. So you see, instead of stretching over here, so instead of walking on both sides now, instead of walking here and walking over here, we're just walking in the middle because we can access it more easier. You understand? See? Easy. Yeah.
Nice.
And then now this now is a nice concept of if when you get heavy rain, the water will settle in the middle. So you have water, you have the plants on both sides and the water in the middle and the plants on both sides. So you end up get a higher yield using this method as well.
It's an amazing technique.
You're using the water, trapping the water in the middle of the plants.
Wow.
Yeah. So this can go a little bit down more. So I have to use a shovel. Or if the next thing I could do is re-till it again, like it open up so now, remove the arrow, re-till it again in the section here, and arrow it again and get it deeper.
Wow.
Right.
Wow.
So nice water trap, you know? Get the thing them sort out. This long as I see them. See them there? See them now say I hide. Yeah man, nice fruits. No man, I get much bigger than this, you know. That's because them better just want to clean up right now, you know. Fresh off of the farm, smell it. This mint now is you use milk with this, condensed milk, or you can use the last cup to sweeten it if you prefer that.
So this is black mint.
Black mint. Black mint. Nice aroma. Yeah. Nice aroma. High grade. Yeah man, high grade. Smell like?
It remind me of one another mint.
Of a spearmint.
Spearmint, not trying to remember that name of that. The leaf are more broader than this.
Yeah man,
I mint though. I don't think I mint, you know.
I wonder for the
I think them use
French
it in
time.
French time.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. French time, yeah.
Local vibe.
Yeah.
Oh,
man, yeah,
but
man.
this is mint.
Yeah, man,
Mint.
black mint, black mint.
And this can use boiled tea.
Yeah, man,
So this
next
can
thing.
catch.
Yeah, but
Same
you
as
have to actually get the rooting
Oh, you
system.
have to
That,
get the root.
yeah,
Okay.
like, so for instance now, if you want something to catch, all right, so see this now? This is a nice rooting part. See the roots on it? See the root thing so? Look at it. See this now? Now, here, you see if you have leaves made up on it, you know if it's still like this as a vine by itself. Once you put this on the ground, it will start spring out leaves from some little section here, so it will start spring out back, new springs. And you get. So for instance, let me see if I can find one. All right. Yeah, so, see it here. So that do this now. Once you start to spring like this, and this vine here, this what's taking place here, it's going to happen over this side as well, and this naked vine here, without any leaves on it. So it's going to start spring up small springs, and you get new whole heap of something. Put that one tire, take over the tire in no time. Because this was a little piece and see take over the whole section as well. See there? So why this be? One little piece will start spreading on the land. Very evasive. Very evasive. No man, take over your land if you don't know what you do. If you plant it, you have to put down a space by itself. Can't put it against nothing. Take it over.
And this is black mint.
Black mint.
Oh, wow.
Yeah man, black mint.
See, I have skilly and all both.
Yeah man, spread them out man. Yeah man.
And even that, and everywhere you look, you can still see strawberries.
Yeah man, right around, right around, right around.
No wonder why them strawberries are so sweet. They might get everything.
Them get
out
everything.
of soil.
Yeah man, soil fully horrible, you know?
Yeah,
Nice and fluffy. Nice and fluffy land. Yeah man, so that's it there, you know? Yeah man, so this is some sweet corn that come up, you know?
Oh.
Yeah man. The bed I know should have more plants in it, but we have a heavy shower rain a couple weeks ago, and it beat the soil too hard on the seeds, and it kind of locked them in so them couldn't get to push out. So these plant after, so them come up after the rain. We plant these. So because when they crack the land and then put them in while using the digger to put them in the soil, them come up faster than the top bed up so. But them will come up still.
How long these normally to take from ground to start?
Roughly 90 days. 90 days for the sweet corn. So.
Corn?
Yeah man. Tree man. Take time in man, tree and get tall and development and something. Yeah man. So see the Irish one now. Irish potato. This is how it stay when it start.
So these are Irish.
Yeah man.
Now we take the seed out.
Yeah man.
Hold on man, I have to take the scene for myself. I know the viewers them who never see Irish. This is my first time seeing a Irish in the ground. I normally just see Irish at market sell. But we never see the tree. And this is actually my first time.
Yeah man, Irish plant.
So we never see this. This
yeah,
is it.
So see so big the tree them get. This is one tree, you know, it's a one root of Irish also. Right? It's the same concept. Let me show you with the iron tool. Use the same iron tool and make a trench here so. Make a trench and then put the Irish them in there and then cover it over. To make a trench, cover your Irish. So once you cover it one time properly, you don't have to go back to your say if you cover 2 times. It's a whole heap of work. If you have 5 acres, if you cover 5 acre Irish, a whole heap of work that. One good cover and then you're good. Whoa. And so we have some beautiful ladies that come up. Yeah man, some broccoli. Nice and beautiful. See them night juice still up and leave them same here. Fresh to death. Oh. Yeah man, fresh.
Broccoli.
Yeah man. Fresh. Yeah man, fresh. Can't get no fresher than this, my boss. So a nice big head, 2 big head over here, so. Yeah, man. Nice broccoli. Yeah man. Nice and lovely. Yeah man, so the Irish them now, when they know them ready now, you see, them start to change. So them the green, and then them start to get brown. So them start to get yellow out. So green, yellow. Once you see them start to do that, you know them soon ready. So I'm try to find a root, alright.
So the tree basically start dying?
Right, it go down, dry down. Yeah man. Yeah, man as me. So I try to find a root where I can work on where we can see something come out of it. Actually. Root is so. Down this around the
This is amazing.
All
First time I see Irish plant.
Alright, let me try that. Let me try that root now.
This is an experience for me.
Alright, I go try that root, alright? I go try this. Not fully ready yet, but we start to test something. Alright. So normally you look for the root anyway, the root there, right? You don't stick the digger too close to the root of the plant. You kinda stick it a little way. So like this now. Watch me. Now watch it. Watch how I go on now. See the Irish, you know? See that? See that?
Whoa.
Be like sweet potato. Similar to sweet potato. See that? Fresh. Clean. Undamaged. See that? Yeah. Alright, so these are seeds. Them tiny one here, you can plant them back or leave them in the land, them grow back up. Just as big as these, yeah man, seeds. So you have small seeds, medium sized seeds, large seeds. Small, alright, tiny, small, medium, large. Yeah, so you can plant them at this size to back, same way. But not as fresh as this, you have to get a little time, make it age down, and you get it. Yeah man.
Wow.
So, eat that. Yeah, man, so.
This is actually my first time seeing Irish in a ground.
Yeah man.
Yo, amazing. Amazing experience for me myself. Respecting of Father Fitz.
Yeah man,
Show me
no
this
say a
because
word,
this
man.
is actually my first time seeing this.
Yeah,
Respect. Yo.
So, when they're fully dried out now, you know,
Yeah.
you get the nice dig, because you don't want to dig them when them green, because them still are develop.
Yeah, true.
So, you make them go and them thing and take in as much nutrients.
Nutrients as they are.
Yeah, if you get a little bit more body. Because if you get a shower of rain now, see me, them still will come up a little bit more bigger, because them pull up things, see me.
True.
You know, because the sky look cloudy like, you know, if you get a shower of rain today.
Yeah.
You know, but I appreciate it still, you know.
Yeah.
No problem with the rain, man. Farmers always will love the rain, you know.
How long the Irish, hold on, before we go to the broccoli, how long does the Irish take to ready?
Basically 2 to 3 months depending on the weather condition.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So
quick?
yeah man, so the more no man, the more rain you get on it, or the more water you apply to it, the faster the growth. So if it dry out, if you keep it dry, it take a longer time for ready. But the more water you put on it, within 2 months time man, you're good to go.
Wow.
Yeah, 3 months tops. You know, it will dry down and do it thing. Yeah.
How about the broccoli?
Broccoli, 60 days. 60 to 90 days. Depends on the variety of the broccoli where you plant. Some take longer than some, because some of them, these are small trees. You have a next variety, much bigger than this. If you plant the trees, them like all 3 foot apart. Big heads. One head can give all 2 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah man, huge.
This blue sheen where it full out.
Yeah.
This is because of that night dew, don't?
No, well actually that's how the broccoli them look, you know.
This is
Yeah
how
man,
it look?
that's how actually the leaves look. You see even the tiny leaf right up on the head, so. Them can steam too, you know. Them can steam too, you know. Healthy too, you know. Yeah man, you know, close to the head, you steam them to see me, man. Can make use the leaf them, steam them like you steam callaloo and eat them, see me. Healthy. 2012, you know. Daughter 2 weeks old, Carissa, you know. I lose my job and I say no, I'm doing the 9 to 5, you know, doing the 9 to 5. And cross over there, so I just start chop down the place, clean on the whole fence line and start plant. And I think I start plant, I just start prepare the land. I mean, I know. I start some farm, I don't have seed, I don't have anything, but I say I just, by faith, I go leave out in the deep, you know. Because I have the farm in my blood from me a little pitney, you know. From me a little boy, me a try go to them place and I never used to freely plant nothing, but my father used to have little, you know, livestock and him do coffee. I decided to, I'm not going to coffee, you know, because I don't think that route there for me. So I go vegetable, one different style. So I throw down the whole like coffee tree on one side and, yeah man, I eat this man, 13 years later. Yeah man, vegetables, strawberries, all these things, you know. Top youth farmer, 2015, all these things, you know, champion. Yeah man, big league. So, you not have to have a bag of money to start farming. You just want to start out, because you know, the bigger you go, when you just start out, take a whole heap of resources. Sure. So you start to work with what you have until you get what you need to get. Yeah man, so if I want 5,000 you have, you get some seed and you get like a thing and you go and do your thing and work with it. Start with a little spray pan or even one little water in can, go and plant a little root or something and spin over back your money in your business and you're good to go. Yeah man, farming are challenges, you know, because I whole heap of blow me get and blow up a losses and sometimes I can't even find food sometimes because rain mash up the crop and you don't really get nothing. But, you know, it's a fight against Mother Nature. You know, sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. Right now it's like a down season for me now, despite the crop come back and Melissa they wipe out everything. Yeah. You know, whole heap of lettuce me they plant out and Melissa beat down the whole nursery. I sell not even 2 pounds out of nothing. Everything mash up. Wow. Yeah man, everything. So you know that go. Bone yard, you're gone. Yeah, man.
Start back over.
Start back over again. So, you know, farming take a whole heap of patience and determination. If you know, have a good heart and patience and determination, no bother with it, because the first blow you get, you got to just get quick. You can't bother with this and take care of yourself. But, you know, farming is for the strong, not for the weak.
True.
You have to be strong for the farming, very strong. If you're weak, you'll give up quick, you know. Everything a bit up and down, challenges here and there, you know. Sometimes you can't find laborers and things, but what you gotta do, you have to do what you have to do. But when the customer call you and say, you know, I need this, I mean, I can't do that. Why not? I couldn't find nobody for harvest the thing, so what about you? You get the thing done, because I need the thing. So what you say, so you can do it. Yeah, man, get it done, man.
Really?
Get it done. Yeah, because all these work, everything we're going to say, me alone do it, you know. Everything we see, just me alone do it. Whole of back pain in the field for plant them broccoli. Whole of bending. Whole of bending. Cleaning out and coming to hand water, them hand water and rain, you know. Hand water and rain.
Wow.
Yeah, hand water to get them going. I have to come through and wet them one. Every road to make them come up. And then the rain come after and them jump up. You know? So when you reach at them stage, you can basically leave them. You know, when them down at them small stage, you have to give them attention. Come on, them small stage, you have to make sure so you keep them clean and, you know, fresh them up, make them, so they're shaking in the wind.
Yeah.
And man, and like that.
How old are these? No.
These probably about 4 weeks,
Okay.
4 to 6 weeks old. Yeah, man. They're not planting a long time. But they want to go on, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, they want to come up. Because I have a whole heap of head down there, so I come out as well. Yeah, man, see them come up. Them don't really like no overhead rain at them time. I still them do this still, you know. They don't like the overhead rain. When the rain beat on them so tend and spoil them, rotten them out.
So you prefer more sunlight at this stage?
Yeah, but at this time now, it's best to have a drip system on it to drip it. When you drip it at the root system, you get the more water down there, moisture, get bigger heads with the dripper. You know, dripping system kind of expensive, you know, because you have to buy a main line and, you know, connectors and all these things. But it's an investment.
True.
And it saves you a whole heap of time, because the time you got to take for go through hand by hand for water, individual plants. So just turn on your drip system and you're good to go. You can start with like a 55-gallon barrel for your feeder thing until you can buy one tank. You know, stages by stages, man. And that too. Alright. I'm gonna show you one style too. I'm gonna miss the one down a while ago. I miss that one, I miss it, I look for something a while ago. Alright. I'm gonna try this, I'm gonna show you something. Alright, so you see this now? See all them look them head there? I'm gonna show you something. Try this. Eat it same here. Broccoli at the realest stage.
Natural broccoli right here, with it on the farm.
It can be consumed raw. You don't have to cook. You don't have to eat a whole heap one time, but you can. With the more, when you eat it like this, you get more potency out of the broccoli. Live. Small amount, not a large amount. Yeah, sprinkle in your salad, good to go.
No, just have a sweet.
Yeah.
Just have a slightly sweet taste to it.
All right.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Real stuff, man. Powerful. Now, if you don't know, and you cook you blanch it. Little bit of water in your pot, a little bit of salt. Cover down the pot. Once the steam go through it, 1 minute time, done.
Wow.
Yeah, man. Quick. No long thing. And if you cook out till it turn brown or white, that's not good again.
As fresh as this get, right on the farm. Broccoli.
Believe
Yeah,
me,
man.
knife, but
Wow.
just start to come out, right? It just start to come out. Then it go there so. Then it get bigger. So as it grow, it increases the size of the head each time. Until it get to pound, 1 pound, 2 pound, pound and a half, depends in, you know?
Is this your first time planting broccoli?
No, man, I've planted a long time, man.
What's the heaviest broccoli ever cut?
1 head, 2 pound.
One single head?
1 single head, 2 pound. Nothing joke. 1 head, so big, so 2 pound. 1 head.
That heavy, you know?
Alright, not joke. I real talk. Me not lie.
2 pound or something?
2 pound.
Like something, you know?
I real joke. Real something I tell you, no joke thing. 2 pound, 1 head. Then right now, one of them head there, I go 1.5 pound. 1.5 pound, some of them I go. 1.5. 1.5 pound in a dry season. if me they have a drip upon them, when I get bigger already. Just because of the water, you know?
Wow.
I put in things in the root, in the plant, in the food, in the ground, see me. So them can go down. When them dry down, you know, so them ready, fully ready. When everything goes up, and I see nothing green, yeah, you can start harvest Irish fast. Get them out of the ground before water start take them. And they like to stay dry. So when you harvest them, like them stage, you know, you don't have a whole lot of washing to do. You can wash them off if you want, you know. But this is a nice stage, because it's not too dirty. People don't like when they think them dirty at the market, because when them dirty, they mess up, and them don't like that. You know, I want to give the housewife them too much work for do, you know. Get them nice and clean, less work, you know. So if you wash them off, you have to put them for dry out, you have to put them for dry. So like have one little place, you put out something, maybe one piece or something, maybe some banana trash on the ground or something, and make them drain off and dry out. If you put them in a bag, them I go spoil fast. Ready to go on the side. See fruit, huh? See that, huh? Ready.
This is what again? White sap.
White sap. So let me go find. Listen, I can bring that. Oh, see that? Shake it off, alright. Very delicate, you know, this is super ripe. Try to pick already. But anyway. Try to wash it off. But anyway, watch the joke. Watch this now. I said it's a white sap, say a black sap. White sap. I have 2 seeds in the middle, right? Alright, wait. Alright. I mash it up too much now. Alright, here we go. You test this. You can just put a seed in the middle, take a time and do it like a guinea. Very sweet now.
White sap.
White sap.
So this is my first time trying white sap.
Yeah man, a very exotic fruit. Very nice.
Yeah, the skin too?
Yeah, you can, you know, but you can spit it out. Yeah, because it's kind of like a bitish.
Yeah, I just did that say.
Yeah,
Have a little slightly, but the sweetness of this
In the middle.
overpower that little bitches.
Yeah man,
taste.
yeah man. Plant this for the seed in there. See the seed in your mouth, I make you keep that seed and put it in your yard. Yeah man, that seed there. That's where I start from. 2 seed. A 2 tree this, you know. It's a 2 tree. 2 tree, but just put on the seed them. See there? 2 tree. Just put on the seed them and I eat that. I'm gonna move it back again. See the tree there? Couple years later.
No man, this is sugar man. It's a more than sugar.
Yeah man. Nice. I didn't get bigger than that, you know. Just because I don't know what. Yeah man. Get bigger than that, man. You come at the right time to get the fruit. The last time I have 2 big one big one on the side of Melissa. I say it big like my hand. Big fruit. Get up on my load.
Jackfruit. This I know jackfruit sweet. This I feel like this is actually sweeter than a jackfruit.
Yeah man.
This is super sweet.
Yeah.
First time trying this.
Yeah man, nice.
Yo.
I see, watch it. See that? Chocho. Humongous on the roof, you know. See that? Big chocho, you know. Massive chocho.
So you grow chocho for your rooftop.
I don't mean grow it. It grow by itself. It just come from somewhere, run up on the house and it just sit down and just make it go on. Look at them big. Look at them. Humongous, yeah.
On the roof.
On the roof. Look at that. On this. It's a chocho about 1 pound. Heavy man. Heavy. See? Massive chocho, not joking. Nothing but just rainwater. Nothing to it but rainwater. The man say June plum over here, so drop off a tree. Enough. Enough June plum. I do have June plum tree this year, but I feel like I'm not a big tree because I'm a bigger June plum tree. So that big, that's the regular type. This is the dwarf. It's like about 9 feet from going up in the air. So. And because of the house, why it gets so big. Because it actually come up now for get the sunlight up on top. And once it just say, nah, pass that so. So more on June plum, let's come up pass up a June plum.
We are actually on his roof.
Yeah man, we're up on
right
the roof.
now, and chocho there. Some humongous chocho.
Yeah.
Right, look there. June plum. Yo, crazy. We just had some some white sap.
Yeah, man, the white sap, you know.
Yo, tastes like chocolate. Sweet.
Yeah, and you talk about the chocolate. The chocolate. You want the ice cream bean and the chocolate. The black sap. It out of one place out there, so I have a plant on it. But it can take time to come up. The black sap tastes like chocolate. It actually have the chocolate look and it tastes like chocolate. When you eat it, you can see it's darker than a chocolate. More almost like a black. But it real nice, trust me. Real nice and juicy. This is a broccoli knife.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man.
What difference with this and a regular knife?
Alright. So if you look on the shape of the knife, if you look at the shape of the knife, so it have a broad, don't have a very broad. So this broad here is designed to cut the stalk of the broccoli. So you actually push. So you lean it and you push. Look.
Oh.
See, you know. And you cut
you
it.
push.
Right.
Oh.
So you can harvest cabbage too. You know, you push on it. Normally, like I said with the regular knife, it don't have it don't really have it have a belly like a machete, to a machete belly. But you push on this and cut.
Wow.
Push. I hate that. You want to see it fresh, night juice still upon them, see me. See it water that night juice. Fresh. This one you know so you can't lose half of it. Green.
Green and fresh and
Yeah,
nice.
Man. Nice. So if you look, every 5 foot apart, you see me have some stakes going down there. So if you look here, so now, come here, so let me show you something. Look down the line. Look down the line on the Irish potato row. You see it in one channel going down. So when the rain fall and it chuck here, so it actually flow. It actually flow in a channel going down and feed the plants. So it's not washing down the hill. It's in a level span. So each time the water come, it slow down, and feed the plants them. If you have it a slope like this, without anything like this going across, it just wash the land.
Nice.
Right. So it's called contours. Yeah. You see the same concept of corn. As you can see them going around. You see them going around on one line and go around on the hill. So if you leave a curve, you curve it really with the hillside, see me. Control the water runoff. So you don't lose your soil, you know. Alright, so that's an A-frame. Alright, so what's your whole concept of this now? The A-frame. A big A, right? Called an A-frame. So what this do, like me say, see the bubble? It's actually a level. So when you do that, look at the bubble now. See the bubble? Level.
Oh.
So you get the contour going across. So you go so now and you flip it. See it again? Can't come down, man. See it again? Right in the middle. That's it.
Wow.
Right. So that's on a contour. So you do this now when your water come, it just flow on a level surface. It not rush now. It not nothing for rush down. It flow. Circle.
This is rainy at that one.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And also for you to walk on a comfortable platform.
True.
To go through the crops because you have to go through the crop them.
Yeah, because you have to step
you have to go through it for maintenance, for cleaning, for inspection, something. You have to go through the farm. So you want to make sure that you as a farmer, you're walking safe. You don't want to walk in a space where you go slide away and you tumble over a gully. That make sense? So that's the level right there. Yeah, level right there.
Amazing.
Yeah, man. So that's an A-frame setting. So you do this on your hillside. You go further up and we show you what we do to stake them. And you use your thing to check your thing and you know exactly what you're there. Alright, come in, go up top. So as I show you now, you have a slope, right? So you have the slope and you want to work on a slope up the and it's hard to work on, right? Alright, you see that now? So you don't normally know. So this thing right here, so this tree root can use it as a barricade or a stake, as a stake. So you just adjust the foot them to get where you want. So you could have put This could be, this is a backup, like a steak then. You put a steak at the foot over here, so. And then you drop a barrier like down here, so. To get these settings. So actually, I can make a bed here if I want to. Continue with this going across like that, I end up with a bed up here, so. So this part of the steepness up here, so how it stay. After a time, I just till here, so. Back it up against the thing. Back up the soil against the barricade right here. I end up with a nice bed can work up here so easily. So no care how steep your land is.
No care how steep.
No care how steep it is.
This is super
very steep. Very steep.
Yeah.
This is more than a 90-degree slope right here, so very steep. Very steep. See there? Incline way up. Incline like that. To the incline there. So it's steep. Going up there, so very steep. You just contour it across and you can walk comfortably and plant. So no matter how slope you feel the land is and you can't farm it. Contour. Using the A-frame, you get contours on the slope. You can plant. See the people in China, where them plant on the hillside. There's some trench. This time use. See the concept there? Coming across there, so come over, see there? Dig this down, level this, you get a nice walking space, planting area. No land wasted. Yeah.
How did you attain all this info?
Alright, so.
You go school for farming? No time at all?
Not a literally school, but farming, rather extension officer come around and them give us training. All this was like this. You know? So I use the fork now and pull it down. Get a level. See there? Flat to get a bed.
Just like that?
Just like that, easy. Take a little bit of work, but at the end of the day, you have more planting here for more plants. Because you don't want to waste your land. You want to utilize as much of the land as possible.
True.
Yeah, so if I wanted to create a bed here so I can. So if my mind tell me, say, you know, me can put one bed right in here, so. If me want to put a bed anywhere in here, so if me choose, I can. Or if I want to plant the pineapples here, I do the same thing here, so just use the A-frame, contour the pineapple on the edges right here. So them, you know, control. Because yes, it can be a nice pineapple bar on the side here, so you know. Because this now, just clean it up, finish, remove the bushes and, you know, kind of just mulch it back a bit with some grass and suppress the weeds.
I can just there, I imagine it as I speak.
Yeah, man, you can put pineapples there, man. Because, you know, remember, there's not really a space where you really use, but you try to utilize every area of the property so you get maximum production. Because the more production you get, more money in your pocket. Every farmer, every business, do what they can do to get the more money in their pocket because them need money.
True.
The goal of every company is to make a profit. And if you not make a profit, the business will go lock down. Nobody can tell me that tool name. What type of tool is that? Never seen that tool in my life before. Custom. What type of tool is that? Comment and tell me what type of tools is this. Custom tool.
Oh, wow. Amazing.
Custom. Yeah, man, simple tools you can make. You don't have to buy nothing too expensive, you know. So every plant need a specific amount of space so it can produce properly. So for instance, the corn over here, they need to be 1 foot apart, and you can use this tool to create that 1 foot spacing that you need. Simple put. See it here? 1 foot apart. 1 foot apart. From here to here, 1 foot. So if I put it here, same 1 foot. See there? 1 foot. 1 foot, 1 foot. 3 corn. So the here shall cleaning. So if I want to clean this, I go this way. Clean, corn, clean. Clean between the corns easily. See what I mean? No damage.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Just from this simple tool.
Simple tool. Simple tool. So you don't have to start with nothing too expensive, you know. Can make this tool for you to see me, you link up. Can make the tool. Simply put. Yeah man. You don't have to kill up yourself. Yeah. It's a small one. Still a grow. You see it very tiny. Last time that one did dry down. But not small this time then. Fully much being on the pan is anything. That place too long, they need to move. Piece pop off in the ground. Yeah, man. Why this man? I root. See baby one of them I need to plant. Then the one place too long. So we need to move them. See this dry out and spring back? Yeah, so it needs to put in an area by itself, make them get much bigger. Them get much bigger than this. They want taste too long, I'm going to look for them. But see the arrowroot, man. Arrowroot them there.
Nice in a porridge.
Yeah, man. Nice arrowroot porridge. What you say, man? See arrowroot, yeah. This a grow back. A spring back. You know, actually, you say it's ratoon. You know what I mean? Ratoon, rat out and grow back again.
Yeah.
Make yam do that too sometime and you get back nice, bigger than yam. Alright, so see this now? That's can plant back by itself. So I'm going to drop them back in our different spaces to move them now.
And remember, if you guys want to support Sir Fitz, his GoFundMe is in the description. If you guys want to drop a little thing in it and support him on the farming journey, you can definitely do so. Crazy vibes up in the hills, but we're not done it. Still have more for show now. This is the vibe. We up in the hills at St Andrew. Content gap. Yeah, man.
Farming is very important. If I give you one corn seed right now, if I give each one one corn seed right now, and I put it on the ground, yeah, and you take it right, within 2 or 3 months time, that 1 grain of corn I give you turn into 300 grain of corn. 300 grain. 1 to 300. Because 1 ear of corn has about 300 seeds on it. Remember you put 1 on the ground, you know. 1 to 300. Remember if you invest $100 and somebody give you back 3,000 upon it, that's quadruple your money, you know. So when you plant that corn, or you plant that red peas, or that cucumber in the ground, when that cucumber grow, inside the cucumber are several more seeds. But it takes patience. Take patience. Take a lot of patience. So for instance now, you guys coming to school now, I want to want to drive range, I want to buy bike, I want to buy Bentley. You not got move overnight, you know. Going to take several years. Several years of smart decisions. Decisions mean when you come to school, when you not idle, when you not back at the teacher, when you not take on a lesson, when you go home even time to get your homework for do, when you not go and ramp out and do with friends, when you take up on a book, the silver and the gold, then can't take that from you. But your education can't take out of your head, no care what they do. And when you put it on an X-ray MRI machine, it can't come out. And when AI try to take, it can't come out. In your side there. So you have to be smart when you come to school and take on the time. It's not a cheap fruit. Very expensive. A pound of this can go for $3,000. Yeah. But guess why $3,000 come now? After 2 months of hard work. After several hours of back bending, when I go in the yard, some of the time I stay so sit down, I can't straighten up good. When my back hurt, I stay so for the day, I bend so I plan for hours. When I don't have got to come up, I can't straighten up. Because the back get tight. But guess what after that now? 2 months later, this is it. Taste. Come now. Oh, you get 2. Hush. Yeah, well, you hand like enough you get. Go on, my youth. Here.
Thank you.
So this is how success feel. When you go to school, take on an education and you're not done. I want to get when you get a nice education, I say it I go feel when you not having a thing in your head. Taste that. That's what good education tastes like. Nice. When you have no paper in your hand and nobody can take off in a fool. That's how powerful the soil is. Very powerful. So without the land, we can't survive without the land. You see, the best tasting coffee comes from the Blue Mountain. The sunlight, the soil, the temperature change everything. Yeah? So farming, very important. Feed everybody. The doctor, the soldier, the police, the thief, everybody have to eat. Sick, lame and lazy have to eat. Remember the brother sell out in birthright for your master for the food kind of hungry? Selling birthright and look back for it and can't get it quite gone, but in the hungry. And give up anything in know him think him go there, but he never go there, but because he hungry. He said, "Chuck, take that and go on, man. What is that to me right now? Because I'm hungry right now. You tell me about birth, right? Take that and go on, man. Hungry want food you know." Think he never got dead, but he never got dead. If he was patient. So food is very important. So never make anybody tell us a farmer not poor, farmer have money. If you have lands, if you have acres of stuff planting out, you can make money. Farming, very important. Very, very important. Very important. Food run the world. On the cruise ship out in the water, food have to go up on the cruise ship. If the food up on the ship, it can't sail. Where the tourists are going to eat, where the people are going to eat, them need food. Them need food. Have to eat food. So whether it be chicken, fish, whatever, vegetable, it comes from a farm. Everything comes from a farm. Them can something, they want to see the fish, them in the can, them come off of a fish farm somewhere. Somewhere, it come off a farm.
It was an amazing vibe here at Content.
Yeah, primary
school. Amazing.
Boys there, you know? Come
Yeah,
demonstration on the farming thing. Explain to them how the farming go. The benefits of farmers are the importance of farmers in the world and Jamaica and beyond, you know? Yeah, man,
Wow.
very important.
Wow,
Very
amazing.
important.
Whenever I expect this, but yo, it just turned into a wholesome moment. I'm full joy every single second of it.
Boys, them love half the style.
Yeah, man.
Man,
Amazing.
They love it. Yeah, man. No
Oh,
respect.
Shpa, we are touching now.
You know, so we are going up in the hills, so we are going up on
Take
Newton.
a
Yeah,
quick
man.
chat up in the hills. So, Shpa exactly?
Newton, man. That's
Newton.
side, man. Yeah,
Oh,
man.
so
Sit up
Newton.
on the hilltop, yeah. Up on the hill, top of stag, up on the hill.
So we are go far up
on top of the hill.
on the mountain. So I can take a chat and we are carrying out it.
Yeah.
Father Fitz there. I don't know the vibe. Yeah, man. This is actually our first time off-roading. Real off-roading. It's crazy. It's coffee farm. Father Fitz, reach up in the hills.
Yeah, man. Up on Newton, you know?
So up here, so is Newton.
Yeah, man. Newton. Pure farming going up as a coffee, as you can see, you know?
And then we see over the entire Kingston.
Kingston City, man. See, I see back
Whoa.
on the Port Royal. The Port Royal out there, up on the Port Royal out there, up on the big so. See there? See the strip there, so. You have the airport there, so, and see Port Royal out in the water there, so. See there? Port Royal out there, so, you know? And see a port more further back over, so.
Amazing. Yo.
See, I have New Kingston in the middle, so New Kingston, the more high-rise building, the New Kingston.
Yeah, the whole up right beside the
Yeah,
tree where I
man.
look on the
Yeah,
rest of
man.
all of this side, just
New Kingston.
New Kingston
Yeah,
side. Yo, the views up there is crazy.
I see I go off further back there.
Yeah, man.
Man, port more back further, so.
Just imagine coming up here at night and seeing all of that beauty back there, so. And them say actually this is not a clear day. So you can just imagine. I mean, I see it so clear. Probably the camera not do it not justice, but my mom telling her the view here is crazy. The last time we came here, we saw some of that views, but we come higher now. We got with the way up. Even the breeze up here feel much different, cool and nice because with the way up in a one. I think this is one of Jamaica's highest point also. Not the highest, but one of Jamaica's highest point. Like we are look over upon everything right about now. So hola, Kingston, hola, Jamaica. Jeez and peace. Crazy vibes, so going launch a drone right now and go on a nice drone view. Make on the so I going. Yes, man.
in Newton, right? So we look on, you know, Syncona botanical garden way over the hill over there, so, and the cloud them over there. So. Way over, you know. Have a great house over there. Nice little tranquil setting. You have to have 4x4 if you go over there, so really, you know.
Have to have 4x4.
4x4 must. If you know 4x4, don't even try if you attempt it, you know, make it.
Don't even
And
try.
some foot you go put it after you buck up in something, but
For real.
4x4 definitely straight in the yard.
Yeah.
Yeah man, can go up there easy.
Amazing.
I look samurai, anything with 4x4, I will.
And that peak where I look on over
man,
there.
that's a Catching Peak.
Catching's Peak.
Yeah man, did they sell pole radio station and them thing over there, so? They have a next big farm over there, so, you know.
Yeah, and just below that, great house.
Yeah man, our sharp farm.
Yo, amazing
Pure
views.
hills.
Yeah, man. Just leave way up in the mountains and reach back. Just a little bit down, more up on the flat. And make a stop for the Fitz. Up on the roof, up there. The rooftop, none of you can see me. Right now, we have a precipice. But I find a tangerine tree. And look on this. Smells so good. Natural organic stuff, because this is the wild in the woodland. And I don't know, we have to see if we can get a couple of something reaching the tree. I don't know how I'm reach up in there still, but boy, I don't know if you can see, but all I want to sit down there, so I don't know if you can even see one road way back over there, so like down. I'm sure now I go on. I want to see what I go on. See the road there. Way back down, so. Way up. And see what I go on there. Natural tangerine. I will see a few more. We'll go and pick. Yeah man. So what I go on? Super soft. And these supposed to be super sweet also. Vibes. So what I go on? Some tangerines, that's the vibe. I'm heading back down on the flat right now. Crazy vibes. Yo. It's a tangerine tree right there. See that man look one? That's a tangerine tree right there.